Mr. Einstein?
Einstein.
Mr. Einstein, I've been reading about how the eye is a complex sensory organ that focuses light onto photoreceptors, the sensory cells of the eye, known as rods and cones. But how does light actually enter the eye so I can see objects?
Here's how it works. The eye is broken into two compartments that are separated by the lens and the ciliary body, a watery compartment in the front of the eye, and a compartment filled with a gel-like material in the larger rear area of the eye. When light first enters the eye, it passes through the cornea, a fixed lens, which refracts or bends the light. Next, the light crosses the watery compartment and passes through the pupil. From there, it enters the adjustable lens, a transparent structure containing highly crystalline proteins. This time, the lens refracts the light. The ciliary body surrounds the lens, and its muscles and ligaments suspend and control the shape of the lens. For example, when you look at a distant object, the rays of light are almost parallel. Therefore, the lens can remain flat and focused on the retina, the inner layer of the eye that contains the photoreceptors. However, when you look at objects that are up close, the lens has to adjust to the scattered light rays. The ciliary body contracts, which forces the lens to become rounded in order to focus on the retina.
What about rods and cones?
They're located in the retina. Due to the refraction of light from the cornea and the lens, the image projected on the retina is inverted and reversed from left to right. After passing through several cellular layers, the light reaches the rods and cones. Rods and cones convert light energy into electrical impulses, which eventually reach the optic nerve.
What does the optic nerve do?
The optic nerve transmits visual information from the retina to the brain. The area in the brain where the visual information ends up is known as the visual cortex. The visual cortex compiles all the information sent to us from the eye and through the optic nerve. And this is how the brain lets us see the world.
Drew!
Yeah!